day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lisa Ragosa. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am a single. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am a 4th member in the family. I am a high school graduate. I worked before as a domestic helper here in the Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, marketing, washing and ironing clothes, gardening and car washing. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese dishes and how to speak Mandarin language. I love taking care of baby. I give milk on time, give them a bath every day, change clothes, change diaper if necessary, and love the baby as my own niece and nephews. Sir, Madam, please hire me as your household worker, and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I will finish my 2 years contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir.